Hey, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Ayla, also known as AKA. Sorry for all the weird movements. I'm just not used to this being my frame, and this is the frame today, so we're just gonna deal with it. There's lots of hands going on. I usually move my hands quite a lot. Apologies for that. It's just the way it is. This video has been a long time coming because this here, it's not even shutting properly. Okay, and then I also have a big dresser that I need to go through as well. But this is my priority today. Basically, what I need to do is go through this bad boy, find literally everything that's in there that I want to either donate to the charity shops, sell on Depop, or keep. So I'm going through today and I am cutting some shit out because honestly there's so many new things I want to buy, so I just want to like sell some stuff on Depop so I have some more room to buy some more things. I've already got this little pile from the thing I cleared out yesterday, a little utility closet. I've got this little pile to sell on Depop, so this is a problem. Get ready. You know what, it doesn't actually look too bad on here. Basically what I have is I have this top shelf up here. I also have hats all the way up the top that I need to clear out. This is all like sweaters, pants, and summer clothes. Like my summer clothes are literally like shoved at the back there. This is all like my jackets and shirts. And then at the bottom, I have my hoodie, I have pants, I have tracksuits, I have a bag of work clothes. This is the main problem. This needs to happen. This is what we're gonna go through first. Number one on the list, obviously my Jehu Cal t-shirt. This is not going anywhere. Next up, I have this one, which was my dress that I cut into a top. So this is definitely going to Depop. It's very cute and I have actually worn it. I think I'm gonna keep that one because it's really cute. You know what, it's really cute. This t-shirt is my Denzel Curry tee. I like this one a lot. I'm gonna keep it. I got this from Culture Kings in Australia. My Murky t-shirt, of course. This is staying with me. Love Stormzy. This t-shirt, I get comments on every time I wear it out of where did you get that, and I thrifted it, so I cannot tell you. But this Nike tee, and then this t-shirt, which is also from Culture Kings in Australia. It says Magic City Pleasures, and it has this lovely lady on the back who looks beautiful. I'm keeping this because it's stunning. I'm being cutthroat today, people. But I am actually going to send this to Depop just because the cups sit a bit weirdly on me for some reason. But I love the pants, so I'm keeping the pants. But this top is definitely going to Depop. These. Oh god. Alright. Here I have some pants. First pair of pants immediately are going to Depop. These jeans are a definite keep. These Stradivarius jeans of ASOS. I wear them all the time. They're so comfortable. This t-shirt I'm definitely keeping. I got this in Australia for like I think $4, so like £2 roughly. And it is just so cool. It is a Sean John shirt and it has like little piercings actually popping out of the shirt, which is quite cool. Black turtleneck, of course. That's not even a question. I really like this and I really like how it looks on me, but it is itchy. I really think this is a case of style over comfort, and I think comfort might win this time. Selling that one. And then these blue pants are just a love of my life. Definitely keeping those. I don't even need to try these on. I just know that they're staying with me. Now this is where it gets interesting because all of this up the back is either stuff I don't wear. I need to get rid of some of it. I just love this. I think it's so cute, but I just don't know when I would wear it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna put it on. I actually think this is really, really cute, but I just think on me, I'm not 100% in love with it. I think it would be really cute for like spring, but I think this is a Depop one. Next little one I have is this one, which I'm definitely keeping because it's just sick, like geometric. I got these both at the same kilo sale and they were sitting together and I was like, I need to have those, but then now I'm just looking back and I just think this is not, like I love it, but just the style doesn't suit me. But this is my baby, so this is staying with me for sure. Next up are the pants from the History Fit set. I'm definitely keeping these. I love the way they flare out at the bottom and just the pattern is so nice, and I need some more like statement pants. A lot of this is gonna go on Depop for sure. This ASOS top, haven't worn it in months since summer, but then again, when it comes to summer, will I be wearing it more? I think it's gonna go to Depop anyway because I want to I'll probably revamp my closet in summer anyway. These shorts I'm definitely keeping. They're just like a white Like, I would call these like a resort short, you know, type of situation. And I think when we're going away on holiday, like in Italy, like wearing these, oh, stunning. Next up are these shorts. These are, I think, from ASOS. Noisy May is the brand. These are going. I don't like short shorts. I don't know why I bought them. This is just like a black slinky dress. I actually really like this, so I'm gonna keep it. It just has a little slit at the front. It's like the only dress that I own. This top I will sell, I think, but I think this one has to go. It's been there for too long and it's not being worn. This is gonna go on Depop because I just, nope, not gonna wear that. Nope. These shoes, also from ASOS, were my interview shoes. I know you never know when you're gonna need them, but I'm gonna get rid of them anyway. Alright, this is another t-shirt. This pains my heart. This was one of my favorite t-shirts ever. It says The Dog Father on it and it has Snoop Dogg on there. It's one of my favorites, but it's just ruined now. Look at it, like it's just, I think this one is gonna have to go to the charity shop. Next up, we have this fabulous like overshirt, baby pink. It's staying with me, it's gorgeous. xoxo shorts, staying. Oh, speaking of dresses, I actually do have another one. This is like just a mini dress. This is gonna go on Depop because I literally haven't worn it in years. Alright, so we've gotten rid of the top section of the closet now, which I'm actually so proud of because I didn't think that was gonna happen that quickly. Having said that, when I say quickly, I've been filming for 17 minutes and I've only cleared up here, so this is gonna be a long one, my friends. Alright, let's start from this side, shall we? Number one, I just have this white button up and black blazer. I think I'm going to keep these because I wear them. This was something I took from my upcycling pile to keep just because I think it's cute. I think I'm going to crop it though. These two tops are from Zara. I wear this one. I have never worn this one, so this is going to go to Depop. Definitely. This, of course, as you may know, is my prized possession, my tracksuit. This is staying for sure. This, I'm sad to say, I think is gonna have to go. I bought it and I love it, but I just haven't worn it. Sorry. This is also an item that's gonna have to go. Bought it at Camden Market, worn it like a couple times. It's just a no, unfortunately. This is also a no. I kind of wear the same thing repetitively and I wanted to switch up my wardrobe. I just wear like tracksuits, so I may as well just get rid of a bunch of stuff. This is my beloved handbag jumper. It has a handbag on the front attached to it that you can put stuff in. I love it. I bought it from ASOS, but I don't wear it, so it's gonna have to go. Next piece is this like puffer vest. I brought this with me from Australia and haven't worn it since I got here, so this is definitely going in the Depop pile. This, as you know, is my big coat. I love this, it's staying with me. It's just so useful as well. It's more like my coat for like if I go out somewhere nicer, which, you know, it's COVID, so that hasn't happened. But like my other coats are very casual. This one I haven't worn too much. It's from Zara, but I am going to keep it just because it is quite useful, you know, spring, autumn. This I do love as well. It's Jag jeans. My mum would love this, but I think this is going to be a Depop one. I'm being brutal here. Do you see how much space we have? It means I can hang some more of my tracksuits up. Alright, we're going down the bottom now. This is my hoodie. I need to find a place to store this because it's taking up too much space in my cupboard, but this obviously is staying. This tracksuit, as you know, one of the first ones, or the first one I think that I ever bought, staying, obviously. It's not even a question. LS hoodie, going. Stay sick jumper. I wear that all the time and I love it. This is my Mum Made It set. As you all know, this is my pride and joy, and I will not be getting rid of it. So this is staying with me as well. These are a tricky one because these are some pants I got in Australia. They're like sweatpants and I love the pattern and everything on them. They're Vans. I got them at the outlet for like 20 bucks, so cheap, but they're massive. They're like a size large, I think. Oh no, they're a medium, but they're massive. But I don't really wear them that often, but I really like them. I'm gonna keep them. It's fine. These, oh my god, these. I've eaten a lot more than I thought I had since I got here, and they don't fit me anymore, so these are Depop for sure. This is a sad thing to say, but these hissy fit hanky tops that I bought, although they were really cute in the videos and stuff, I haven't reached for them since I bought them, and I just doubt that I'm going to. They're just not really my original style. So these two are going to go to Depop. Now what I'm going to tackle are these hats up here. Okay, hat number one, I only just bought this. This is from Hissy Fit as well, and I absolutely love it. I have the exact same one in like light pink from them. This, so freaking cute. My mum bought it for me. This blue baby also is a keep. This Gucci, fake Gucci one is definitely going to Depop just because I don't really wear it anymore. This one I don't wear, but I am keeping it because it's more of like a sentimental thing. And we went to New Zealand for New Year's with my family. Also this black fluffy one, similar to the Hissy Fit one, but it's not from them. And then this grey one as well. I also have another red one and a couple of others that are out there on the hooks, but this is definitely staying also. So there's only one of those that I'm really getting rid of, which is great. So anyway, that I guess comes to the end of the video. I do still have a lot to clear out in terms of my drawers, but thank you for helping me clear out my closet today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!